In this video, I will show you how to save your Excel file as a PDF to share anyone. So file, then save as, and this PC and select the area where you want to save it. In my case, I want to save it in document, give any name, and here click on save. Now open it. So now here select PDF. You can select standard publishing or minimum size as you need. Then give a name and save it. So I will select the location document and save. So this is the way you can save your Excel file into PDF format. Thanks for watching.